Hi all, welcome to another session from Think Institute of Design. I am Anjali, your host for today's interview. So today we are having a very special guest with us who has achieved an amazing milestone in UC 2026. She is Patil Bhumika Dilip and she is from our 1 year online BDIS weekend batch student. She has secured rank 13 in UC 2026. So, in today's session, we'll be having a small talk with her regarding the preparations, what worked for her, her journey, etc. So, without any further ado, let me welcome Patil Bhumika Dilip.
Hello everyone, my name is Bhumika. I got rank 13 in UC this year. I am from Jalgaon, Maharashtra. I joined Think in 2025. I was there in Think weekend batch and Think helped me a lot in my preparation journey.
So, what was your first reaction when you saw the result?
Ma'am, I was very happy when I saw the result. I cried the whole day that day, and I realized that my whole year preparation got me this success today. And my father was on the call when I saw the result, and he was also very happy that I got All India rank 13 in UC. So that day was full of happiness for me and my whole family also. So, yes.
So everybody would be happy at that moment, right?
Yes.
So, what was the preparation strategy that worked for you?
Ma'am, the strategy was I started my prep from last year only after the UC results were declared. So I started it in March 2025. So first I started with my basics. Like I studied the maths formula practice and then solving reasoning questions, solving UCIT PYQs, and for drawing I practiced 1 point, 2 point, and 3 point perspective basics at first. And product design from Pinterest I have studied because there are many sites which we can visit in that. I did this till May 2025 and I started solving UC PYQs as mocks every day in morning. So in morning, the reason behind that is the UCIT exam is conducted in 9 to 12 in morning. So I developed that timing so I could attend it in the exam. And I attended the Think classes at weekends. So that was really very helpful for me.
How supportive were the Think mentors during your preparation journey?
My mentor, Samira ma'am, was really very helpful to me. Whenever I asked her for any doubt, she solved it every time, and she always updated me with the exam notifications. She is really very friendly and supportive person. So yes, she always helped me whenever I needed her.
So happy to hear that. And how did you first heard about Think?
I got to know about Think when I was searching for UCID mocks on internet. So that time I contacted with uh, the sir and my father spoke with him. So that in July I joined Think.
So, how helpful were the study materials and mock examinations which was provided from Think?
The GK notes and the color theory notes, maths notes, logical reasoning, solving questions helped me to improve my speed and accuracy as well. So the thing UCID mocks were harder than actual UCID exam. So it helped me to improve my speed and solve it in the time bound. So I solved the tricky questions means which were there in the mocks after solving it, and from internet I solved the similar questions, which developed a logic for solving it in less time. So yes. The study material were really helpful to me.
So, how did Think's online program help you achieve this rank?
The online program, the sessions were very interactive. I mostly like to attend the logical reasoning sessions and the drawing sessions. The logical reasoning sessions by Chandu sir and drawing sessions by Suyod sir. The sessions cleared my doubts, not just theoretically but practically also, because many times while solving the logical questions of UCID, we did it practically in the class. So it developed a logical and visualization ability of mine. And also the elite batches were helpful for me at last phase of my preparation, because it boosted me to prepare more properly than I was preparing before. I was feeling very confident and well prepared when I was standing outside the UCID hall before the exam. That I was thinking that all the thing I have prepared with think, and uh, there is nothing left, so I can attend the paper very properly now. So yes.
Okay, so happy to hear that. And what tip would you like to give to your junior aspirants or students who are studying right now?
The tip I would like to give is try to solve the PYQs of UCID, and each PYQ you should solve at least 5 times, because I solved it at my time. So the logic which is developed for each question is very helpful. Give more and more mocks, and solve the easy questions when you get depressed, because it helped me during my prep also because it give you confidence to solve the questions. And at last, I would like to tell you the secret quote which motivated me every time is: nothing is impossible, no target unachievable. One just need to try harder and harder.
Thank you so much, Bhumika, for sharing your valuable insights and journey with us. And we are so happy and proud to have you as our student. And congratulations on your UC success and wishing you all the very best for your future.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I hope Bhumika's journey would be truly inspiring to other students as well. Thank you all for joining with us in today's session. Until our next session, it's me Anjali signing off from Think Institute of Design.